Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Spanish Town. We are on French Street and we're just going to take a quick tour through Spanish Town. We're going through some of the residential areas or some of the side roads. We're not going on to the main road just yet. We're just going to drive through some of the side roads so you get an idea of what the inside of the town looks like, the inner roads. Okay, so on the left is the courthouse and on the right is the police station. Oh, you saw that car? It had one of those yellow part things you used to clamp it because they parked at a bad spot. Nice to see that, you know. They are maintaining law and order on the roads over here. Yellow building on the left is a church, and they seem to be having a funeral over there. Alright, so we're now going on to Brunswick Avenue, and Brunswick is one of the main roads in Spanish Town. Two main ways, or the two main ways of entering and leaving Spanish Town. One is Burke Road, which is you take this road and you turn left here and head down, or Brunswick Avenue, which also is one of the main routes into and out of the town of Spanish Town. So this is Brunswick Street. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Also leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.